All right. Good evening. Yeah, technically, I should say good night, but you know, good evening. I don't know if you people can see my screen or not. Yeah, I think you people can. So, subjects general aptitude, we are in general aptitude and quantitative aptitude. Okay, previous gate. We did 20 problems in this, and let's do 20 more. Something in linear algebra too. We should do this. One note, 1, 5, and 10 rupees coins. Number of coins. Let's just get the total. Okay, the total amount, the percentage of money in 5 rupee coins is. So how much is it? 8. 8 and 13. That's 21 coins. And the 21 coins. What is the total money? 5 rupees plus 5 into 3, 15 rupees plus 10 into 3, 130 rupees. So the percentage of money of 5 coins is, so that is as simple as 15 by, this is 20, 150, 10% if I'm not wrong. C is the answer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For positive non-zero real variables p and q, if log p plus log q, sorry, log p square plus log q square is equal to log, okay. So log okay, we messed up some properties. Log a yeah, we can do that over there. P square plus q square, log p q, that will be 3 square 9. So 9 pq. P square plus q square is equals to 9pq, right? So p square plus q square by pq is equals to 9, and if you, as for base, p power 4 plus q power 4 plus 2ab, that 2p square q square by p square q square is equals to 81, right? Can you do that? P power 4 plus q power 4 is equals to, it will go 81 p square q square. It is at grip, but it is not coming. That will be, 80 p square q square. Oh, you got it. That is 80. Is it not? Wait. Wait, man. Why are you in so hurry? That will be 79. Yeah, my bad. That's 79, 79. Here is the answer. Here is the answer. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. God made me did that. 54, centimeters times 4 centimeters rectangular sheet of paper. The two longer edges of the sheet are joined together to create a cylindrical tube. The cube surface area is equal to the area of sheet is also taken. Show the volume of the cylindrical cube. Okay, it got a bit 2 marks. Yeah, absolutely. Volume of cube. So, volume of cylindrical tube is asking, write pi r square h. It rolls around, so h is 54 centimeters. That's good. And so the circle, uh, the circumference becomes the width. So 2 pi r is equals to 4 centimeters, and pi r is equals to 2 centimeters. R will be 2 by pi centimeters. So pi into 4 by pi squared into 54 is going to be that, right? 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. 216 by pi centimeter cube is the volume of cylindrical tube. A cube whose surface area is equal. Okay, what is the area of the sheet? The area of the sheet is this. 54 times 4 is 216. And what is the surface area of cube? 6L squared equal to 216. And L squared is equals to 216 by 6. How much is that? 6 raised to 8, 36. So L is equal to 6 centimeters. And volume is 6 cube. Okay, the same. You got the same, man. So 216. So volume is 216 too. Right. That's good to know. Volume of cylindrical tube to the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is 216 and it gets cancelled out. 1 by pi should be the answer. Nice. Yep. That's correct. Two thousand calorie diet person. Okay. The total fat. Percentage of contribution of different macronutrients. So how much percentage of fat he consumes? 45 percentage of fat a person consumes. Okay, got it. 2000 kilocalories. You need to find 45% of 2000 kilocalories. 2000. So 45 by 100 into 2000. Yeah, just cancel it out. 45 into 20. That is 900 kilocalories from fat. And okay, thank God all of these are 9%. So 100 grams of fat. C should be answer. If three variants have three different, you should calculate for each of them separately. natural numbers. Mm-hmm. Fn plus 1 is equals to Fn plus. So you get the next term by adding two previous terms. That's what this guy is saying. Minus 1, okay. F6 is equals to F5 plus F4, and F7 is equal to F6 plus F5. You idiot. Okay. So F6 is given as 37 and F7 is given as 60. Okay, F5 is common in these things. So 2 F5 technically there is something wrong with this if I were to say. So F1 obeys what? Okay. So let's say n is equals to 2. F3 is equals to F2 plus F1. Okay, that's making sense here. So you have this now. F4 plus F3. So in place of F5 you can do F4 plus F4 plus F3. 37. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Get F1 in terms of F6 and F7. Got it. This is how I done it. Alright. So okay, got it. So F5 can be written in terms of this is F7 minus F6, right? Alpha minus beta. That made sense. F4, F5 minus F3. Okay. Yeah, from here you do that. F6 minus F5. F6 is what? Beta minus. F5 is what? Alpha minus beta. Okay, this bracket is important. Hmm. So beta minus alpha plus beta. 2 beta minus alpha, yeah. And similarly, you can write this F5 as F4 plus F3. So in that way you can get F3 as F5 minus F4. So what is F3 now? What is F5? Alpha minus beta minus 2 beta minus alpha. Alpha minus beta minus 2 beta plus alpha. 2 alpha minus 3 beta. Is that how it is? Yeah. Okay. Is there some word? Or is it a typo? It is a typo. Gotta be good at math and gotta be good at recurrences. Similarly, F2. What will you get for F2? F4 is equal to F3 plus F2. So F2 will be F4 minus F3. What is F4? 2 beta minus alpha, 2 alpha minus 3 beta. Okay. 2 beta minus alpha minus plus 2 alpha. Alright. 5 beta minus 3 alpha. Similarly, F1. Okay, whatever. F3 minus F2. What is F3? What is F2? What is 5 alpha minus 8 beta? What are alpha and beta again? Yeah, only if you take this long. खत्म हो जाएगा. 560 is 300. 8 times 37. 3 is 24. 296. That's 4. Wow. You solved in an hour. Okay. G of t is greater than f of t. Functions. Okay, if only these sort of questions are given. It is an increasing function when For some t greater than 0, g of t is greater than f of t. That's correct. There exists a t such that f of t is greater than g of t for all t greater than t. What is capital T here? There exists a T, capital T, such that. Okay, second one seems wrong. There exists a T. Okay. Thousand square this by 0.01 this. You got 10,000 and that's 4,000 only. So there exists a T. I did not understand the context. Yeah, now that's cool. So what I was trying to say is the first f of t goes something like this because it is exponential, and g of t starts from above, but it goes like this. There will be a crossing point after which it will be, the greater. Yeah, you just need to wait until this phase. That's it. F of x and g of y are functions of x and y respectively. F of x is equal to g of y for all values of x and y. Okay, let's see. So there are for all values of x and y. Hmm. So x has some values. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Y has some values 5, 6, 7, 8. So now f of x g of y, they are equal. These are x values, right? They both map to some 60, 70, 80, 90. Something like that. Alright. F of x is equal to g of y. F of x f of x plus g of y for all values of x and y. We had the wrong interpretation, I guess. F of 2 is equals to g of 3 is equals to 5, let's say, for all values of x and y. F of 3 is equals to g of 10 is equals to 20, let's say. Okay. Cannot actually interpret this one, but f of x and g of y. Oh wait, you mapped it correctly. F of x is equals to g of y is equals to constant. F of x is equal to g of y is equal to constant. But f of x is equal to g of y for all values of x and y. So these do not exist. It exists like this. It exists like that. So why can't you do that? No, like, okay. 60 plus 60 is equal to 60 minus 60. That's false. Okay. You interpreted the question half correct, half wrong. Do not. Right. A function y of x is defined on the interval 0, 1, 2 if. Which one of the following is the area under the curve? For the interval 0, 1 on x-axis. Cartesian coordinates. Don't you need integration for this? Oh yeah, y of x interval 0 to 1. Y of x is alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is constant value. You don't need to smooth it out. So let's say here is 1 by 3. It will be like this. 3, alright, 1 by 3 to 3 by 4. It will be 3, it will be bumped up. And it will, come down to 1. So what is the area? 1 by 3 times 2 plus, what's the difference? No, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 12 LCM, that will be, 9 minus 4, 5 by 12. 5 by 12 times 3 plus 1 by 4 times 1. 2 by 3 plus 15 by 12 plus 1 by 4. 12 LCM works out 4 times 4 to the right. I don't know if this works out or not. Right, 15 plus 8 is 24 by 12, that is 2. That's not the answer. Hey, I have done that correctly. What's the sum again, you idiot? 15 plus 9. That's 24 only, right? Yo, 3. 1 by 4 is 3 by 12 divided. 26 by 12. Simplify it. Okay, this means I'm feeling sleepy. No, I don't think so. Mm, 2 table 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Yeah, we have the answer. That's it. Okay, at least you are able to interpret it correctly. Because I got a hint called Cartesian products. Let R be a root of the equation. And the value of the expression is. Uh-huh. Does it have equal roots or something? Sum is 2, product is 6. Yeah, let's do it. X square plus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. Minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a minus 2 plus or minus. Alright. Wow. Quadratic equations. You need complex numbers for this one too. That's how based on sense plus math. For 24. 4 minus 24 root 20 I by 2. What? Do you need all of this? Okay, let's simplify it a bit further. Yeah, I was stuck thinking in imaginary root, so that's not the answer. That's not the answer. Let's see. Minus 1 plus or minus, right? Root 20 is like 4 root, no, 4 into 5. That's 2 root 5. 2 cancels, plus or minus root 5i. Uh-huh. Okay, we got it. Okay, my man did something. R plus 2 times R plus 3, R plus 4, R plus 5. It just comes down to mathematics. The skills of mathematics at this point. Plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. So what do you do about it? Root 5i. Okay. Let's take the positive roots for simplification. That is plus 1. That is plus 2. That is plus 3. That is plus 4. You can multiply these two and these two. So that is 5i square, that is minus 5, and plus 2 root 5i plus root 5i, okay, plus 2, and that is minus 5i plus 4 root 5i plus 15, sorry, 3 root 5i plus 12, I see. And what do you do about this? Plus 3 root 5i minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, minus 5 plus 12 is 7, 4 root 5 plus 3 root 5, that's 7 root 5i. So now you need to multiply this. Okay, so this one minus 21 and minus 21 root 5i and plus 21 root 5i. Okay, plus 20. All right, you need to multiply these two. I minus 1 minus 21 into 5. This one cancels, minus 21. Okay, this is 5. Okay, how much is this, man? 6. 126 minus 126. Okay, the first approach is not guaranteed, but this approach is guaranteed. A box contains 5 balls of same size and shape. These 3 of them are green colored and 2 of them are. Balls are drawn from a box one at a time. If the green ball is drawn, it is not replaced. If an orange ball is drawn, it is replaced with another orange ball. Probability of getting an orange in the next draw. Okay, I can see the diagram for this one. 3 green, 2 orange. So let's say a green ball is drawn. 3 by 5 probability of green ball. 2 by 5 probability of orange ball. If a green ball is drawn, it is not replaced. Okay, let's say the green ball is drawn. Let's say a green ball is drawn. Then the bag will be left with two green and two orange. Two green and two orange. Then it will be left with three green and three orange. So there is 3 by 5 probability of it will be left with two green and two orange. That's the case, then the drawing of orange ball is, that is 1 by 2. If that is the case, then it is 2 by 5. Now you need to multiply it correspondingly. You just need to multiply all of this. So 3 by 5 into, that's it. If you do that, you're getting the answer. Three times. Alright. That is two times. Okay. Replaced. They would say another ball is added, right? Replace itself means I have gotten the flowchart right. That's a good thing. So this event of occurring is how much? That is 3 by 10, and this event of occurring is how much? 4 by 25. 55 times 15 and 2 times 8. So that will be 23 by 50. Yeah, let it be. The corners of midpoints, the corners and okay, midpoints of the sides of the triangle are named using distinct letters but not necessarily the same order. Eating my brain here, people. So 6 points are determined. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. The line P and R is parallel to the line joining P and R. There is only one parallel pair possible. Line joining Q and S. So P R Q S, or they might interchange. P is placed on the side opposite. P is placed on the P is placed on the side opposite of corner T. Okay, so let this be corner T. Then this will be P and R, and this will be Q and S. That worked out. S and U cannot be placed on same side. S and U. Okay, that worked out. Which one of the following statement is P cannot be placed at a corner? No, P can be placed at a corner. S cannot be placed at a corner. U cannot be placed at a midpoint. R cannot be placed at a corner. S cannot be placed at a corner. Only that seems the correct inference. B. Yeah, we did it. I don't know how, but we did it. Theta is the angle in degrees between the longest diagonal of the cube and any one of the edges in the cube. Then cos theta is okay. I had this question before. So we have a cube like this. If I'm not wrong, this is, a direct question from R.D. Sharma. So this is the longest diagonal from, this corner to this corner. So how are you going to do this? How do you get cos theta? So first you do this. Let this be 1 and let this be 1 according to Pythagoras theorem. This will be root 2 and consider another triangle. Yeah, this triangle you see, this, and this. This length is 1 since there is 90 degrees. Root 2 whole square plus 1 square is equals to answer whole square. That will be 2 plus 1, alright, square root, cube root of 3. Okay, thank God. Cos theta was asked. So in this, triangle where this is 1 and where this is root 2 and where this is root 3, this is theta. Alright, this is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Root 2 by root 3. What? Oh wait. Theta, you thought this is theta. You were calculating this angle, but we need this angle. So this one and this one. What else you need? This one. But will it form, 90 degrees? I don't know. It will be root 2 anyways. Okay. Okay. So this we got it as root 3. That's good. And this is theta. So from this and this we need the angle. You don't care about this length that is adjacent. This is 1 by root 3. Okay, I see. I still got a lot of questions. Data aptitude is hard, man. X minus 1 by 2 whole square. Should I just expand it? Don't we have anything else? X square plus 1 by 4 minus 2x into 1 by 2 minus x square plus 9 by 4 minus 2x into 3 by 2 is equal to x plus 2. So what we got is x square minus 1 plus 1 by 4 is minus 3 by 4 minus x square plus 9 by 4 minus 3. 9 by 4 minus 12 by 4. How much is that? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 is equal to x plus 2. X square कटेगा. No, what are you even doing, man? What are you even doing? X square cancels out. 1 by 4 minus x minus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Alright, this is minus 3x. It will become plus 3x. 2x plus 2. 2x. Alright. 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is what? Minus 8 by 4. Equal to x plus 2 or 2x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2. Just get it over here. 2x minus x is x and x 4. 4. Yeah, 4. The number of students in 3 classes or a ratio of okay, 18 students or 100 in each class, the ratio changes. I should do this. 3x, 13x, 6x. So 3x plus 18 is equals to 15x. Right. So 18 is equals to 12x. Can you do like this? No, you cannot, I think. Cannot, I'm afraid. Okay, so total number of students in the beginning is this is 19x, 22x plus 18, 3s are 54 is equals to 15 plus 20. Wait, you can do that? Equals to 18 by 12. So 9 by 6 or Okay, 6. It can directly divide, right? 3 by 2 is the ratio. 9 by 2 plus 39 by 2 plus how much is that? 39, 48, 58, 68, 66 by 2, that's 33. No, that's totally wrong. Mm-hmm. Okay, guess I need to take a break. Alright, people, I will sleep and have a good day.